Bandaging. Let's talk about a bandage. In my opinion, the most long, needlessly overcomplicated, drawn out, laborious part of any first aid training course. I'm going to save you about 3 hours. Here's the quick version. Bandage. You got a short bit, you got the middle bit, and you got a long bit. All right, this is what we're going to do. Now, young Freddie's gone and cut himself. In an ideal world, we're of course going to have some gloves on, but lift that up ever so slightly. Do me a favour, short bit, with your left hand, hold this, pull it out to the side. Fantastic, hold it nice and tight. Done two things there, haven't you? Cut your workload in half. If you've got someone who's responsive and breathing, get them to help you. Don't do more than you have to. And I'm also keeping them distracted. Do you know what, mate? I'm going to grab that. You're doing a really good job. Can you put it one more time for me? Thanks ever so much. Nice and tight, yeah? Doing really well. Okay. Now, you're going to love this. Keep control with the roll, all right? You only ever need to be controlling one end of the bandage, all right? Keep that nice and tight. You're doing a really, really good job. That's it. You want to start doing figures of 8, folks? Do figures of 8, or just go round and round and round, but keep that under really, really nice control. Do you know what? You've done such a good job. I'm going to take over now. Is that all right? Wrap it round one more time. Here you go. What knot have you got to tie? Really don't matter. Keep it simple, all right? Now, it should be tight, not too tight. If they keep bleeding, you can either swap the bandages out or you can keep adding if it's a significant bleed. All right, I want to assist with that pressure. Is that too tight? Does it feel all right?
It feels all right.
It feels all right. If it was too tight, because I've done a nice simple knot, that is easy to undo. Bish, bash, bosh, tie it off. Give them a wave then. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys.